Good morning or good afternoon. Let's start by solving this one. There's a space below, but let's use the space below. Ayan. So first, how do we find the slope here? So, ano ang gagamitin natin to find the slope? Yan yung question natin. So to find the slope here, class, we're going to use the m is equals to, okay, for, solving for slope. Yan. So we're going to find y, uh, y sub 2 minus y sub 1, okay, and x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So ito, madali lang talaga to dito kasi nga obvious na naman yun kung sino yung magiging x sub 2, x sub 1 natin. Okay, I will change muna the color. So this one will be our x sub 1, y sub 1, and this one will become our x sub 2, x sub 1. Or, pwede ito si x sub 2, pwede ito si x sub 1, pwede na ito si x sub 2. Okay, pero hindi siya pwede pabaliktad, no? Baka kasi magkamali tayo. So, ito, yung first two terms lang ang kukunin ko. Ay, first two points. This is 1, this is 2. Okay? So, yan yung isosolve natin. So, let's start with the given. Yan. Start with the given. So, our given is, okay, x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, and then y sub 2. Okay, y sub 1 na, x sub 1 natin is negative 2. Our y is, itong y, yan yun siya, si f of x, no? So our y sub 1 is 0. Again, this is 1. This is 2. Yan. And then we have x sub 2, which is 0. And we have y sub 2, which is 4. O, ayan, parang ano lang, 2-point form lang tayo nagsusolve, no? So, m is equals to 4 minus 0 over x sub 2 natin. 0 minus x sub 1, negative 2. So our m is 4. 4 minus 0 is 4. 0 minus 0 minus negative 2, that is negative negative magiging positive, so that is 2 na lang. So our m is basically, divide natin, 4 divide 2, that is 2. So that is our m. Now, okay, I will separate. So using, okay, sorry, may dumi kasi. Um, Using y is equals to mx plus b, ang gagawin natin, we're going to solve for the 0. So solving zeros of a linear function. Now, let's choose, no, saan ang gagamitin natin. Actually, kahit sino yan pwede natin gamitin. Let's try 4 and 12. Itong 4 and 12, hindi ko gagamitin si 0, negative 2 and 0 o 0, 4. Let's try 4 and 12. Yan. Para at least makita natin na pwede siyang gamitin kahit saan dyan. To find our 0. Ayan. Next. Okay, our y. Siyempre itong, this is y, this is x. No? So, our y is basically 12 is equals to our m. What's our m? Ayan, no? 2 times our x is 4 plus b. So, try to solve. Solve natin. That is 12 is equals to, how much is this? So, what's the value of 2 times 8? Sorry. Plus b, inverse of positive 8, that is 8. Also, negative 8 pala, sorry. Inverse of positive 8 is negative 8. So, negative 8. Yan. B This is 0, so hindi na, 0 na yan siya. Ito, 12 minus 8, that is 4. This means, this means that our B is equals to 4. Yan. Okay, our B is equals to 4 now. So, sulat na natin siya. So, gawin natin yung Y natin to F of X. Okay? Yan, gagawin natin siyang Y is equals to F of X na. Then, F of X is equals to, what is our M? Okay? Yan, our M is, okay, para pa din siyang, okay, again ha, para pa din siyang, ito oh, yan. So our M here is 2. Oh, sorry, hindi pala. So, copy lang yung X kasi hindi naman natin hinahanap si X dyan. Si M, si Y, si M, tsaka si B lang yung i-change natin. Plus, okay, notice hindi ko pag i-change si B kasi dito ko na siya i-change. 4. So, we have here, F of X is equals to 2X plus, hindi ko na siya, hindi ko na siya isulat kasi ito yung final kasi. So, we have the linear function now, and if we're going to solve for the value of our X here, which is our 0, that the answer is 2. Okay, using the first part of our video. Ayan. So the answer for this one is, okay, we'll change the answer. Ito ko ilalagay. Wala na akong space. Dito na lang sa side. We'll change the color na lang of the pen. Change to orange. So answer, the value of our slope is 2. The value of our 0, or zeros, is equals to X is equals to, yun 2. Sorry. Oh, nakita yung ano, previous. The value of 0 is 2. Ayan. Ganyan lang kasimple. Diba? Madali lang siya. Yan. Okay? Let me show it again. Ayan. Right. So, yan. Next, we try to solve this one. Okay, another example. 2 examples lang tayo. Now, so dito, same pa din yung ginawa natin kanina. Wala pa din pinagbago, no? So, walang magbabago dun sa ginawa natin kanina. Ayan. Parang naka-tilt gamay, tilt konti yung example. Sige lang. Given the function table of values, determine the slope and zeros. So, ayun. Determine pa din natin yung slope and zeros. Slope and zero. Ayan. Determine pa din daw natin siya. So, first, again, is to use the 2-point form formula. Yung M, solving for slope. Okay, pwede na kayo hindi maganito ha. Directly na kayo solving. Pwede naman ganun. This is just for formality lang naman to, no? Formality lang naman to. Yan. Para makita ninyo. Y sub 2 minus Y sub 1. X sub 2 minus. Baka ma-misinterpret. Ayan. And then, given. So, our given. So, ito. So, kanina, ito yung ginamit natin. 'Di ba? So, ngayon, ang gagamitin ko para maiba naman is itong dalawa. Para naman makita natin na pwede siyang gamitin, no? So, try to solve the other, ano. So, this will become our 1. This will become our 2. So, x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, and then y sub 2. X sub 1 natin is 5. Y sub 1 natin is 4. X sub 2 natin is 7. Y sub 2 natin is 8. Ayan. Na tayo. Now, solve for using M is equals to, what is our y sub 2? where y sub 2 is 8 minus minus 4, and then we have x sub 2 7 minus 5. Ayan. So m is equals to 8 minus 4, that is 4, 7, sorry. 7 minus 5, that is 2. So m is equals to, okay, 2. So this is our slope. Yan. Now solving for the zero also of the function or the linear function. Okay, solving for the zeros of the linear function. Ayusin natin yung handwriting ko. Para naman ano. Okay, zero or zeros of a linear function. Ayan. So we're going to use the y is equals to mx plus b. Yan. Doon ko na siya ilagay. So sorry. So now, gawin natin is pili tayo. So ang pipiliin natin dito is I will try to use this one. Okay, for our example. So we have 3 and 0. Yan, subukan natin yan. So using y is equals to mx plus b. Y is equals to mx plus b. Ayan. Our y is 0. Our m is 2. Our x is 3. Ayan. Plus b. Tikit siya. Ayan. Now, 0, 2 times 3, that is 6 plus b. Then, the inverse of positive 6 is negative. So, 0 is equals to 6 plus b minus 6 minus 6. Kasi dapat equal sila. Ayusin natin ng konti. Gandahan natin yung writing. 0 is equals to 6 plus b minus 6 tayo. Minus 6. Bring down b. Ito, magiging 0 na. 0 minus 6 is negative 6. Bring down equal sign. So we have our b is equals to negative 6. So that is our b. And then, let natin si left tuloy. Let natin si y is equals to f of x. So we have y is equals to mx plus b. So f of x natin, yung m natin, palitan natin si y as f of x. So m as 2, remain si x. Sorry. Plus, our b is, ayan, sorry. Di na pa siya plus, negative 6 na pala siya, mag-change na siya. So from here, the value of our x is, okay, if you are going to solve that one, the value of our x class is, the value of our x is 3. Ayan. The value of our x here is 3. Ayan. Check natin yung kabila. Parang may naano si sir. Nalimutan. Sorry, this is negative pala yan siya. Sorry. This is negative 2. Ayan, negative 2 pala yan siya. Okay, negative 2. Erase natin. The value that will make our function equal to 0 is negative 2. So the answer dapat dito is, so sorry, nakalimutan ni sir ang sign. Ayan, negative 2. Ayan. That's why we should do the checking talaga, no? Ayan. So this, in this part, positive 3. Okay? Saan ko ilalagay yung answer? Dito na lang sa taas. So, answer, okay, the answer, our M is 2, our 0, or X is equals to, na yun, 3. Tama ba? 2 and 3. Ayan. Okay. So that's the end of the part 3 of our video. Hope you learn something. So madali lang naman siya, no? Hindi naman siya masyadong mahirap kasi sanay na naman tayo. Ayan. So, so wait for the part 4 of our video, which is the shortcuts.